In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Jira. This integration can significantly enhance your team's productivity by automating tasks, generating issue descriptions, and streamlining workflows. So, if you're looking to make your Jira environment even more efficient, you're in the right place. First up, let's explore the integration methods, starting with the ChatGPT for Jira app available on the Atlassian Marketplace. This user-friendly plug-and-play solution seamlessly incorporates ChatGPT's advanced language capabilities directly into your Jira system. With this app, users can easily interact using natural language, enabling them to auto-assign tasks, summarize complex issues, and even translate text when needed. If you're wondering about usage options, you have the choice to either use a free managed account, which allows up to 986 issues per month, or go for limitless potential using your ChatGPT organization account. Now let's dive into the setup steps. The first thing you need to do is choose the integration method that best fits your team's requirements and technical capabilities. It's important to consider the size of your team, how many issues you handle on a regular basis, and whether you need extended functionalities. Once you've made this decision, it's time to install or configure the integration. You'll want to carefully follow the installation or configuration instructions provided by the integration method you've chosen. Each method comes with its own set of guidelines, so be sure to pay close attention to each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. Moving on to authentication. This step involves providing the necessary credentials and permissions to both systems. It's crucial to establish a communication pathway between Jira and ChatGPT, so be sure to double-check that you've entered the correct information and granted the appropriate permissions. This will allow the integration to function properly and securely. Next, define the permissions and scopes. Specify exactly what permissions are required for the integration. This usually involves reading and writing Jira issues, among other things. Make sure these are clearly defined so the integration has access to the necessary data and functionalities within Jira. After that, it's time to test the integration. This is a vital step to ensure that data is being synced correctly and that workflows are functioning as expected. Run a few tests to verify that everything is operating smoothly. This will give you peace of mind knowing that the integration is set up correctly. Finally, don't forget to monitor and maintain the integration over time. Regular checks are important to confirm that the integration continues to operate efficiently. Make adjustments as needed to accommodate any changes in your workflow or team structure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully integrated ChatGPT with Jira, making your team's workflow more automated and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating!